So first of all, I'm very positive about the NASSCOM guidance of 12 to 14. Within that, the BPM Council's internal guidance really is 10 to 12%, right? And from a WNS perspective, I'm extremely positive about our growth prospects, the fact that we are growing revenue well, we're growing profits significantly faster than revenue, and our actual guidance for 2016 will be provided in April. I think more than WNS, I'll speak about the BPM industry itself. I think we delivered $28 billion overall, and established ourselves as the undisputed leader in BPM globally. That is India. And of this, 23 billion was really exports, which means only 5 billion was domestic. I think the wonderful thing about the whole Digital India initiatives is the fact that, in order to dramatically improve citizen services, it means there is a huge need to introduce BPM services in every element of life. And that means you'll see a lot of new employment being created, you'll see new revenue streams coming in, and therefore the entire industry will benefit from this push. Well, I would say that the key expectation would be from a BPM perspective, really focus on infrastructure, right? Yeah, so that people can travel, the length and breadth of this country, and we can actually move our business more into the tier 3, tier 4 locations of this country. The second would be incentives for companies that actually drive the skilling programs across the tier 3, tier 4 parts of the country, as we take this model deeper into the hinterland of the country. I would say those are two of the most important initiatives from a BPM point of view: skills and infrastructure. I think a lot of them do, but I must tell you about an exciting program that we are driving, from the BPM Council with the help of the Skills Council of NASSCOM, as well as in partnership with training companies as well as universities. We are actually, each company is embracing a number of colleges. We have created a program that includes qualification packs, which are additional content of 120 hours. And each of us is using that to get after various colleges and add them to the regular programs that they already have, so that we can really get more business ready people into our companies. And as every company in the space actually adopts these more colleges, you can imagine the multiplier effect and the scale effect it's going to have. So we are not waiting for the government alone or any agency to solve our problems. What we are doing is we are working hand in hand with all these agencies to create a new exciting workforce for the BPM industry.